Roof maintenance is crucial for extending the life of your roof, but should you do it yourself or hire a professional? Let's break down the pros and cons of each approach. Some roof maintenance tasks can be done yourself, like cleaning gutters, inspecting for visible damage, and trimming overhanging branches. These tasks are relatively simple and can save you money on labor costs. Plus, by handling these tasks, you'll become more familiar with your roof's condition. However, DIY roof maintenance has its risks. Working on a roof can be dangerous, especially if you're not experienced or don't have the proper safety equipment. You might also miss potential issues that a professional would catch, leading to more costly repairs later on. That's where hiring a professional comes in. Professionals offer comprehensive inspections, quality repairs, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing the job is done right. They have the expertise to spot problems early, the tools to fix them properly, and the training to do it all safely. For major repairs, complex roofing systems, or after a severe weather event, it's best to hire a professional. They can handle the heavy lifting, ensuring your roof stays in top condition. A balanced approach works well for many homeowners. Handle the minor tasks yourself, but rely on a professional for the big jobs and regular inspections. For more tips on maintaining your roof and when to call in the pros, visit our Roof Maintenance Program page and see how RoofWorks can help you keep your roof in great shape year-round.